2013 F150 5.0, no resonator, straight pipe, Flowmaster exhaust, dumped off before the axle. I'm getting on the freeway now. And keep in mind that I do have 300 pounds of weight in the back. I'm in the bed of the truck, not on a trailer or anything. Showing you how it sounds normally and when you gun it. I'm doing about 70 right now, getting on it. That was with the windows down, here's with the windows up. Doing about 66, getting on it right now. It's pretty worth it, cost me 180 bucks. For them to take the resonator out, 3-inch straight pipe with the Flowmaster 40 series, dumped off right before the axle. Well worth it. You can tell a power increase. Also, the sound is incredible. Sounds really clean. Gotta say, this 5.0 motor in this new F150 is outrageous. Love it. Hope you guys enjoy.